From low-voltage appliances to power storage. From automotive manufacturing to aerospace. From automated welding to AI intelligence systems. HAIFEI is using welding technology, continuously changing our world. After 16 years, HAIFEI insists on technological innovation, constantly surpass, always firm in the mission of striving for the rise of Chinese industry. Only the most suitable for customer needs is the best overall solution. We are good at sensing customer needs, proficient in R&D technology innovation, gathering the wisdom of a team of senior engineers, continuously create and jointly depict the infinite possibilities of the future. Good welding machines are made by HAIFEI. We insist on doing safe and efficient, energy-saving and environmentally friendly intelligent welding equipment and automation equipment solutions. Become a leader in non-ferrous metal welding. Never a slogan, from top-level design to bottom-level architecture. Our scientifically sound system of mechanisms. Let this ambitious goal, it's becoming more and more implementable. At HAIFEI, we strive for excellence and connect with the wisdom of numbers in our production base. We break boundaries and integrate the SCARM, PDM, and ERP data systems. Integrate SCARM, PDM, and ERP data systems are connected. Make management more efficient. Quality is more controllable. At the same time, we have 21 sets of finishing equipment and 13 complete assembly lines of welding equipment, ensuring the high precision and efficiency of factory-produced products. We can achieve an annual production capacity of thousands of high-quality welding equipment from China to abroad. It has been distributed to more than 20 countries and regions. In the future, we firmly believe that stability can lead to progress. Wisdom and win-win future. Because of this great era, we've done a great job here, benefit the world. Because fate is shared, trust each other. We are grateful, unswerving. Create maximum value for customers. Create a better life for employees. Intelligent equipment, it will become a new trend in the welding industry. HAIFEI will become a leader in the industry. As always, it brings you more efficiency, more reliable welding solutions,